This is Mare.
Welcome to Sienna's channel.
This is Lucy. This is so awkward. I get so awkward doing this. But anyway, hello everyone. We are at the Glossier Boston pop-up shop, which is at 85 Northern Ave in the Current in Seaport. So if you're in Boston, please go check it out. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been to like the prettiest pink ever. Wait, yeah, it's like the millennial pink. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm so ready. Okay, we're gonna go check in and then I will show you guys everything. So cute. Look guys, there's really like a map. Should we just start at the first? Should we start? Yeah. So this is the shop all. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
There's so much.
Let me open the door, please. Yeah.
You were gonna open like the double doors, make it super cool. Sienna, oh my god.
Sienna Sancher, oh my gosh.
I love her so much.
Oh my god, a highlighter?
Oh, I really want one of your highlighters. I really want one.
I was gonna go to CVS.
I want like really good. Like the eyeshadow? Yeah, the eyeshadow glitter. Those ones, right? Are they like the petal pot things? Glitter detail.
This is like too white.
Let me see.
Wait, is anything coming out of this?
It is. It's just like, it's very, yeah, I would do like maybe the,
like the roll?
Yeah.
Okay, Lucy.
Oh my gosh, look at the walls. Look guys, they have like their own Boston merch. I really want this, like so badly. So cute. Oh, they have a sticker. A little button. I want the pin. The pin is so cute. And the pen. I know. Look, so you get this like cute little postcard thing, and then it has like the map inside, and then on the back it's like your order form. Boy brow next. Yeah, it's super cute because like you get to mark off like what you want. I think that's great. I really want the sweatshirt. Is that extra?
No, the blue sweatshirt is really cute, and I feel like not even that.
Brows. Oh, this is cool.
Oh my god. Whoa! Oh my god, wait, why is there no one here?
There's literally no one here.
Brow flick.
A shrine. That is a good way to put it. Brow flick. I don't even know what the different ones are. I love boy brow.
Okay, I can remove our sitting my ass. Okay, now it looks better. Now I kind of like brow flick.
Yeah, I think they look good. It just gets really like crazy, but boy brow.
I think they look good.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You're
Me.
I think yeah.
Did you fill them in at all?
No, it's just the thing. Like, I think it does. It like fills them in for you.
Clear one.
There's a clear one. Oh, that's smart.
And it just like shapes it.
Maybe I should get the clear one. Ooh. Yeah. You smell good. That's the best compliment.
Oh my god. For the lady. For the miss. Yeah, this is how you check. Cute. And if there's like a gap,
if there's a space,
then it's not a two-way, right?
Right.
Or it is a two-way. Who remembers the gap?
If there is a gap.
Is the gap a good sign or a bad sign?
I think it's a good sign because I've never done it without there being some sort of gap.
Oh goodness. Yeah, it's probably like overwhelming. Sometimes it's like
I love these. And they come out in 2 new colors. Oh, glittery. I'm obsessed. I love lip gloss. I'm a lip gloss girl.
Yeah. So like they order
skincare, my favorite.
I get it. I didn't like when it smelled recently. So beautiful. But like what the little couple branding thing. Like a little
This is so pretty.
I know you're a bio major. No, I just like love this bio.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. This is kind of fun. Ah.
This is so cute.
Glossier G. Oh, even a little pencil.
God, I'm tan.
It's so sunny.
I see mine. I see mine.
Aww. Wait, let me see, hold yours up. And then we'll get yours.
Oh my god, the Glossier Boston postcard.
Is that the postcard? Berry bomb. Oh no, it's not a postcard. Never mind. Oh, is it like a?
Wait, what? Wait, this
it's
is
like
cute.
a postcard book. That's so cute. Oh, I love the lips.
Cool.
I would
That's
like
going
hang
on my
that.
wall.
Ooh.
I'm gonna mail it to you guys.
Oh my gosh, wait, that's so
This
cute.
is-
Look how cute the little pickup booth is. And good morning. It is the next day and I thought that I would go over all of the Glossier products that I got and kind of like do my makeup with them. I'm super excited to try them out. So I got a little bit of stuff, so I'm excited. First I can't try these out yet, but I got the Body Hero Duo, which I've always wanted and finally got it, which is super exciting. So this is the lotion and the body oil, and I just love the idea of a body oil. Like I use oil on my face to like take off my makeup, and especially because Boston is about to get really dry and really cold, so I really like the idea of like a moisturizing oil in the shower. It comes with this like cute little pump tube, and then the lotion is like perfect for my bedside table at night. Oh yeah, that smells really good. It just smells like really fresh and flowery. It's not an overpowering scent, it's just really easy, and you can just like, I don't know, come out of the shower smelling like fresh flowers. That is really nice. Now, I think they bundled it according to like skincare and makeup, which is really cute actually, because this bag, now my hands are all slippery, so I can't open it. Oh my god. That was not a good idea. Shoot. Now they're all slippery. Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Finally. Alright, so I got, oh, the Super Glow, which is the vitamin C and magnesium serum. So this is, oh my gosh, guys, I'm obsessed with this packaging. It's kind of like how do I even like describe it? It's like a dropper, like this. Yeah, it's like this. It's just like super cute. I just think it's like perfect for your nightstand, and it's supposed to make you glow. So for the winter months and fall, I'll be a glowing queen. Ooh, okay. This is the Lid Star in Cup, which is like their glistening eye glow shimmer that you put on. So it's kind of like eyeshadow shimmer, and I've always wanted these, and I finally got one. So it just looks like this. It's like in a little tube. It's really cute. And yeah, it's this really pretty color, so I'm gonna try it on. Now my hands are just so slippery. Why did I do that? Oh, there we go. Really struggling here, guys. So yeah, it just looks like this, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelid and then like blend it out. You see like that? So it's like really shimmery and then just like catches the light. Oh, I think that's so pretty. I don't have any other eyeshadow on, so I think it's perfect just for like popping on if you don't want to do like a full lid. Just gives you like a little bit of shimmer, but it also just looks really natural. Just like that. Just like a little bit of color. I tried it on the store, but I had like other eyeshadow on, so I was like, I don't know if this is gonna look good on me, but I'm gonna go for it, and it turned out well. It's just like running late to class. Pop a little bit of this baby on. Maybe bring it in your bag. Cute. Okay. The other thing I got is highlighter. This is one of their Night and Shine, which is like their Glossier Play. I don't know how that's different actually, but ooh, it came like wrapped. That's kind of fancy. This adorable little bottle kind of looks like one of those nail polishes you would get in party favors as a kid, like when you were 5. Super cute. A little like thing like this, and then it's like a highlighter. So I got it in the shade Platinum Rose, so it's like the really pinky color. So I kind of want to just try it like on my nose. Oh wow, oh that's cute. And then just like dab it in. Like a little bit up here. Oh, that's such a cute nose highlight. Oh, and it's just pinky and perfect. Ooh, I really like that. Let's try upper lip. See, it just looks really natural, just like it's coming from within. I really like that. Try a little bit up here. I love how blendable it is too. Like, you can just do this with your fingers. It's super creamy. Ooh. Oh, I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna try something else on my cheeks though, because I got another highlighter, because you can never have too much highlight. Next, we got more makeup. Ha, look at that. I learned. I can do it now. Oh my gosh. Ah! I got more bomb.coms. I love these things. I have them in my bag all the time. And I got the one in mango because it smells so good. And it just reminds me of like the tropics in Hawaii. And I just love it. It makes me happy. I don't know. And then I got the birthday one because it is like super glittery and I can just use it on the go. I'm gonna try the mango one and then I'm gonna pop that one into my bag. Look how cute the packaging is. It's like the mango color and then like this like periwinkle. It's just like super tropical and fun. Yeah, look at that. And then the other one, birthday one, I love the packaging. It's like holographic. Eee, it's so cute. Even just down to the lettering with like the blue and the pink and then like the kind of cake color and then the sparkles. Like, I think Glossier's marketing is just insane. I think it's so on point and they've got it down, and I would love to work for them because that's what I want to do. I want to do marketing and branding, so Glossier, shout out if you have any internships. Hit your girl up. I'll probably be emailing you guys with my resume and bothering you because, oh my gosh, working on Glossier's packaging and like marketing literally is my dream job. So yay, we love. And then just putting this on. Oh, super creamy. It smells so good. I wish I could like, I don't know, maybe in the future, maybe, who knows. I wish I could like transport a scent through a video because then you could smell what this is, you could smell what this smells like. Yes, I know English. It's so good. Oh, okay, that's gonna go in my bag. And then just like look at this packaging like out here, like too, like with like the lips and the mango and then like the birthday cake and like sprinkles and I'm just obsessed. Okay, and then we have lip gloss. I got 3 because I am in love with Glossier's lip gloss. Their clear lip gloss, I've used the entire thing and it is my favorite lip gloss in the world. And yes, I finally got another one. It's just like the cutest little thing. It's so simple, just a clear lip gloss, but it looks beautiful on. Absolutely stunning, and it just makes your lips like so glossy and it just stays on forever, all day. And then I got 2 more because you can never have enough lip gloss. It's so funny the way makeup trends go. Everyone was like into the matte lip. When I was younger, it was all chapstick, like what were those chapsticks that everyone had that were like scented? Lip smackers. It was all about lip smackers, and then like lip smackers lip gloss, and just like those like super like fruity, cute, like girly like bubblegum or pink or like strawberry lip gloss, and then you'd like put it on. It was super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this one. They came out with a red lip gloss, so it's just like with color. I think I'm gonna wear this today. It looks beautiful. And then also, because your girl loves sparkles, obviously I have to get this one, which is their holographic lip gloss, and it's just like in this beautiful shimmery color, so it just gives your lips like a little shimmer. Let's try this one. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Yeah, so it's not like a super bright red. It just gives your lips like a little bit of a tint. And then look how glossy this is. Like, oh my gosh. Can we talk about this? Like, hello? Obsessed with these. Putting this also in my book bag because, woo! I almost dropped it. This is my child. I got scared for a second. You can never have too much lip gloss, so firm believer in that. And then I got, oh my gosh, of course, Boy Brow. And I got it in the dark brown shade because for some reason my brows, I was very blonde as a kid, like platinum blonde, and then my hair got a little bit darker when I was older, but it still was pretty blonde. And then for some reason my eyebrows just remained really, really dark. Or not even remained, just turned really, really dark when the rest of my hair was still very blonde. So I have very dark eyebrows, but I like that because they stand out, and I love using boy brow. And I'm so excited I got a new one because my old one was all the way up. I have really long eyebrows, so what I do is just kind of like brush them out like this, and like I brush them up and it looks like super weird, but it like distributes the product really evenly. And then what I'll do is I'll take a spoolie brush like this, and then I'll just go across and down like that, and then just shape them. That's pretty much it, and then they stay all day. Yeah, like that. All right, and then last but not least, I got a Halo Scope highlighter. I'm so excited for this. I've always wanted one of these. And I got it in the shade Moonstone because it's like the really iridescent pale one. I am really pale, as you guys know, so the other ones just like didn't really work for me, but I also just wanted one that just was really pretty and looked like I was glowing from within, and that I could just like pop on and it wouldn't be too harsh or anything. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And it just looks like such a just natural highlight. So I'm gonna put it like on my chin, a little bit here, on my forehead, and on the other side. Wow. Okay, I'm obsessed. So yes, that is like my finished little makeup look featuring Glossier products. I am glowing all over and I love it. And I have to go run and catch the shuttle for class because I'm late. So I will see you. I love you all. Bye.